How to use Airbnb last minute deal finder. To use this function, first of all, you have to open the application itself. From there, what you want to do is you can use the I am flexible search option, which will trigger or which will start to show the surface homes that have on book days in the next 1 to 28 days, which is primary window for the last minute discounts. Now to use this feature, simply tap on your profile, simply tap on this search bar on the top and then select your destination and tap on this rain option and make sure that you enable this flexible option right next to dates. Then select the weekend and select your dates as well or month. Once you do so, simply tap next and then search it up. And once you search it up, you should be able to find all these options. And as you can see, you can also find this last moment discounts over here. All you have to do is simply tap on it and then you can book it from here. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.